Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Welcome to today's talk on offering the bhoga. It is the second step to our relationship with Krishna. First we develop a taste in hearing the Krishna Katha, and once we have developed the taste of hearing, now in a relationship, as we know, next thing is to offer some bhoga to Krishna. And what is the importance of offering bhoga, and what does Krishna accept and what he doesn't accept, and how to offer the bhoga. So let us talk a little bit about it. In the previous Bhagavad Gitas, which were I think published in the 90s, I've got one from the 90s tom. Let me see which year publication is it. There's to explain to you in the end of those Bhagavad Gitas how to offer the bhoga and what are the pranam mantras for the deities and Prabhupada. This is 1993. So anyway, I don't know the present Bhagavad Gitas. I haven't seen if they have this chapter, or sorry, this an introduction to ISKCON. That's the last chapter they're giving those Bhagavad Gitas. There, a lot of good stuff is there. Anyway, I'll share with you how to eat spiritually. Now, Krishna can convert matter into spirit. So, whatever we offer to Krishna becomes spiritualized, and once it's been offered to him, it becomes Krishna Prasadam, which means the mercy of the Lord. And it is a fundamental practice in Bhakti Yoga to eat the Krishna Prasadam. So they don't eat anything which hasn't been offered to Bhagwan. And in other forms of yoga, they say that we must artificially repress our senses. Yeah, like you have to cut off. In some meditations, they say your mind should be cut off from everything. There should be nothing in the mind, and then you practice. But most of us who have tried different routes, we know that meditation, having nothingness in our head, in our minds, is not possible. Our mind likes to have some kind of agenda to think about. So we do the mantra meditation, say the mantras of Lord. So in Bhakti Yoga, we please Krishna by all the senses we have, okay? By offering delicious food and offering the flower in the arati, offering the fan, offering the water, offering nice incense for smell. So all senses are given to offer to Krishna first. So those things are first offered to Lord, and we have the remnants of them, which is the prasada. Now, Lord Chaitanya said about the prasadam that everyone has tasted these foods before. However, now they have been prepared for Krishna and offered to him with devotion. These foods taste and uncommon fragrances. Just taste them and see the difference in experience. What you prepared and ate it straight away yourself, and something which you prepared and first offered it to Lord and then ate it. The difference is there in your consciousness, in your health, and how you feel and how your heart feels about it. So this is pleasing to our mind, body, and all the senses. And it reawakens the soul's relationship with God. So, like if you make friends with somebody, you invite them and you give them different foods and everything to build a relationship. Similarly, this is our God, the Supreme Personality, and this is one way we develop or strengthen our ties with the Lord. Okay. So when you walk down the aisles of the supermarket and you have to buy all the things which Krishna likes, he says in a shlok that Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam. I can be pleased with a leaf, with a flower, with a fruit, or with water. So you have to buy anything prepared from the milk products, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and grains. And they've got so many cookbooks, Hare Krishna, the Bhaktivedanta Book Trust. You can buy them online, or you can go to any of the ISKCON temples website. If they are selling, you can buy from there. Or you don't have to buy anything these days. Their websites, their YouTube channels, just is loads. I keep sharing many myself, and I will share more. ISKCON Desire Tree website, it's got everything. There's a totalveg.com is there. So many hundreds of thousands, I should say, recipes. There are apps also there. Instagram is there. There's everything. And you do your own creativity. Why not? Think of some nice, delicious delicacies which you can adapt and prepare for Krishna. And another thing, you can't offer anything which has caffeine in it to Krishna. So no tea or coffee. You can offer herbal tea. You can offer red bush tea, which is from South Africa, which is free of caffeine. And there's tons of beverages which you can prepare for Krishna. And make sure any products which are selling in the market, which have got meat, fish, egg products, and anything else mixed in them, don't offer that to Krishna. So be careful. Sometimes you buy jelly packets from shop. It's got I shouldn't say the word, wrong gelatins, which we can't offer to Krishna. So be careful. So once you become a Krishna Bhakt, you will be in the beginning reading all the labels carefully as well. Okay, so some brands of cream, yogurt, sour cream, you have to be careful of as well. So just read the small print. And some cheeses, like here in the West, they used to have the cheeses used to have the rennet. Rennet comes from the stomach of the calf, but now we should thank to the Muslim community as well. Our neighbors are Muslim. My window is open, so I'm not going to speak loudly. I'm just being careful. Nobody's out there anyway. So thanks to them, our cheeses are all vegetarian now, and thanks to the vegans as well. But I wish vegans were not having any onion and garlic. Then we would have had more choices if we were stuck outside traveling or something. But anyway, so this is one thing, and no onion and no garlic you can offer to Krishna. So your hands have to be thoroughly washed before you enter the kitchen, as you always do. This is part of hygiene anyway. And you have bathed, and hopefully you haven't been to toilet. If you have been to, you have to have a shower. But I think to start with, if you are not initiated, you can be forgiven for all these things. But still, try to offer something to Krishna once you have had a shower and you're clean. And we call it altar clean. Altar is the मंदिर का जो होता है वो सेटअप, उसके लिए. और आपको 3 मंत्रस बोलने हैं, ठीक है. पहला है प्रणाम मंत्र, प्रेयर टू शीला प्रभुपाद. दूसरा है लॉर्ड चैतन्य, और तीसरा है टू कृष्णा. तो फर्स्ट मंत्र इस प्रकार है. नमो ओम विष्णु पदाय कृष्ण प्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे. 3 दफा ये बोलना है. उसके बाद प्रे टू लॉर्ड चैतन्य. नमो महावदन्य कृष्णा प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौर द्विषे नमः. 3 times this. And lastly for Krishna, Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagat Hitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namah. 3 times this. I'll briefly tell you the meanings of all the 3 mantras. Prabhupada mantra ka meaning hai, I offer my respectful obeisances unto His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, who is very dear to Lord Krishna. Having taken shelter at His lotus feet, our respectful obeisances are unto you, O spiritual master, servant of Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Swami. You are kindly preaching the message of Lord Chaitanya Deva and delivering the Western countries which are filled with impersonalism and voidism. और लॉर्ड चैतन्य का मंत्र का मतलब है, translation is, O most beneficent incarnation, you are Krishna himself appearing as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You have assumed the golden color of Srimati Radharani and you are widely distributing pure love of Krishna. We offer our respectful obeisances unto you. And finally, Krishna mantra ka matlab hai, prayer mantra ka matlab hai, translation is, I offer my respectful obeisances unto Lord Krishna, who is the worshipable deity for all Brahmanas, the well-wisher of the cows and the Brahmanas, and the benefactor of the whole world. I offer my repeated obeisances to the personality of Godhead, known as Krishna and Govinda. Okay, so you remember what is the real purpose of offering and preparing the food for the Lord? You are showing your devotion to the Lord and your gratitude. Krishna will accept your devotion, not the physical offering. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है that you should have a सोने की थाली and चांदी की थाली and all the cutleries nice और बहुत expensive पकवान बना के. No, you have to look at the desh, kal and samay, time, place and circumstance. You have to see. So if you suppose you're traveling, you might just offer a bottle of water to Krishna and you don't have to see, so you just imagine you have done that. Otherwise, when you're at home, you've got time and you've got all the shopping in the house, nice stuff is there, you can offer elaborate offering as well. So make sure the pot you're cooking, if you're offering a cooked food, is clean, preferably उसमें कोई onion garlic से या meat से या अंडा कुछ भी egg कुछ भी नहीं cook किया हो. So buy a little pan, I would say a multi-purpose pan which can be used for so many things, and keep it aside for Krishna with a lid and a ladle, karchi, and then have a plate, separate plate for Krishna. Buy a new plate, a cup, a glass and a spoon. वो भगवान का कटलरी अलग. उसको जो साफ भी करोगे, इनको साफ करने के लिए एक सेपरेट स्पंज रखो. Don't use the sponge you're using for अपना खाना पीना. You know, हमारा जूठा उसमें अनियन गार्लिक सब कुछ लगा हो, है ना, everything. That's बंगाली में उसको बोलते हैं मूची. मूची नहीं करना, सब कुछ सूची रखना है. Like this in Punjabi, सुच्चा रखना है सब कुछ, है ना. Keep everything pure. So keep a separate sponge by your kitchen in one side. जब भगवान के बर्तन साफ करना, उसे स्पंज साफ किया और फिर क्लीन करके वाइप करके उनको साइड में रख लिया. बेटर है, यू कैन कीप इट इन द टेम्पल, कोने में रख सकते हो. अगर किचन में यू आर नॉट श्योर, if you've got like people coming to work in the house, you have house help, you think they might touch it, so keep them separate. So for example, you have got the offering ready now, you're thinking of offering a fruit or maybe some breakfast, some milk, जो भी आपका मन है, depending upon the time, or just water even, why not, herbal tea. So we will tell you how to go about it. So once it's been offered, it becomes prasadam. Offer करने से पहले वो है भोग. Offer करने के बाद that becomes prasadam. So anything, चाहे वो अगरबत्ती है, चाहे वो फ्लावर है, चाहे वो भोगा है, प्रसाद के रूप में, खाने के रूप में, पीने के रूप में. भगवान को फैन जब करते हैं, भगवान का जो होता है व्याजना, दैट इज मोर पंख का जो फैन होता है, वो you should have seen in the ISKCON temples. भगवान को ऑफर करके आरती जब करते हैं, फिर मुड़ के वो सबको देते हैं. That is like the prasad. So if you watch the aartis on mayapur.tv or vrindavan.tv, I don't know if they're doing live telecast at the moment or not. So you will see how the aarti is done. But I'm sure if you are like me, आरती देखते देखते I forget what pujari is doing. मैं तो भगवान के सुंदरता में विलीन हो जाती हूँ, because they look so beautiful, isn't it? So we have to offer a lot of respect to the things offered, and then ऑफर करने के बाद वो जो प्लेट में सामान था भगवान की, वो उठा के अपने बाकी पॉट्स में डाल दो। अगर कुक सामान है, अगर सैलड काटा है तो अपनी वापस प्लेट में डाल दो। पानी है भगवान का जो ऑफर किया है, वो यू कैन पुट इन योर ओन फैमिली जग एंड देन हैव इट एज प्रसाद। वन थिंग, वी हैव टू ऑफर एवरीथिंग विद तुलसी। सो अभी मैंने जो आज हम लोगों ने सुबह ऑफर किया है भगवान के लिए, तो मैं उसको थोड़ा सा डेमो करके आपको दिखाती हूँ। सो for example, this was Krishna's bowl, Krishna's spoon. If you want to put spoon inside when you're offering something to Krishna, it's up to you. If you don't want to, you don't have to. And then this is the आचमन cup. हम 2 आचमन कप्स रखते हैं अपने मंदिर के ऑल्टर में। एक आचमन कप होता है भगवान का, एक हमारा जिसमें मतलब जैसे हमने हाथ धोने हैं सुबह ना, आचमन करते हैं, नहाने के बाद तिलक लगाते हैं, आचमन। That I will tell you next time. So पहले हम आपको ये बताएं कैसे करना है। So ठीक है, आप गए भगवान के सामने, जो भी आप बना के लेके गए, या फ्रूट है या वाटर है या बल्टी है, जो भी है अपने भगवान के सामने रखा, जो उनका टेबल है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद एक तुलसी लीफ लिया, उसको इस आचमन वाले पानी, जो मैंने आपको बताया था गंगा जल बनाने का मंत्र, I'll put it in the group again. So तुलसी को उससे आचमन वाटर से ये जो गंगा जल बनाया साफ करना है, और साफ करके इसके ऊपर डालना है, भोग के ऊपर। देन नाउ आई हैव अ लिटिल प्रॉब्लम हियर बिकॉज आई एम सिटिंग। ओके, आई कैन मूव दिस नाउ। आई थिंक इट्स चार्ज्ड नाउ, सो आई विल शो यू हाउ इट इज डन। सो फॉर एग्जांपल हियर आई हैव पुट द plate. This was my deities. Can't get the angle, so it's okay, I'll hold it in my hand. So this is the table. I held the bowl in my hand. Okay, so I'll just hold with one hand and do another hand. So I took some water, आचमन वाला, अपने हाथ को ऐसे लिया, पहले साफ किया, दोनों हाथों को रखा, ये टेबल है मान लो मेरा, और फिर मैंने उसी आचमन का थोड़ा पानी अपने राइट हैंड में लिया, थोड़ा सा, ठीक है। और फिर व्हाट आई डू इज ऐसे करके राइट हैंड ऊपर, लेफ्ट हैंड नीचे, एंड देन वी से म अस्त्राय फट, ऐसे हाथ को यूं फेंकते हैं उस चीज के ऊपर, ऐसे यूं यूं, ठीक है। दैट इज डन। म अस्त्राय फट इज सेड कि एनी इनऑस्पिशियसनेस, जो भी कोई हो, अशुभता, 3 miles अराउंड द जो हम ऑफरिंग कर रहे हैं भगवान को, दैट गोज अवे। दिस इज द पावरफुल थिंग विच इज बीन टोल्ड बाय द आचार्यस टू अस। सो वी टेक लिटिल आचमन गंगा जल in our hand and this is choice, and then say ma astray phat. That's it. ऐसे, ठीक है। We'll close our eyes. In the beginning, obviously, you have to look at the mantra. Then you say Prabhupada's mantra. There's more to it when you become Brahman Diksha. You do something else as well, but I won't go into all that. But Maastray Phat aapko maine bata diya, because this is nice, because it says ki ashubhta dur ho jati hai 3 miles radius tak ki. So after that, you will say the Prabhupada mantra 3 times. You say नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। इसको 3 बार बोलना है, ठीक है, इसी मंत्र को। आफ्टर दैट वी विल से, shall I do it 3 times? So you will see how it's done totally. So we have said it once, we'll say 2 more times. नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। 3rd time. नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे. Now we say Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mantra 3 times. Namo Mahavadanya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaura Tvishinabha. Second time. Namo Mahavadanya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaura Tvishinabha. Namne Gauratvishe Namaha. And third time, Namo Mahavadanya Krishna Prema Padayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratvishe Namaha. And finally, the pranam mantra for Krishna, which is Namo Brahmanaya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Namo Brahmana Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Namo Brahmana Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. And have I said it third time or second time? Anyway, we'll say it one more time. Namo Brahmanaya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagadhitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. So you don't have to close your eyes in the beginning. You just look at the sheet. So you just put in front of your, by the wall of your temple, or get it laminated, put it there by the temple room, and just say that. And after saying that, and while you're saying that, sorry, I forgot, you have to have a bell in your left hand. Bell left hand होनी चाहिए. Bell हमेशा अपने फेस से ऊपर ही बजाएं, फेस के नीचे नहीं है, बेस लेवल के ऊपर. उसको बोलते हैं मूची हो गई, सूची रखें उसको. So जो भी आप भगवान को ऑफर करें, मैंने कहा 2 हैं आपके पास आचमन पॉट. एक आचमन पॉट अपने लिए जिसमें आप अपने हाथ क्लीन करते हो, एक भगवान के लिए. तो उस वाले जो भगवान वाला पॉट वाला आचमन पॉट है, उससे आप बेल को साफ करते, एक हल्का सा छिड़क दिया उसके ऊपर. और जो मास्टर एफर्ट कहते हैं उसके लिए भी उसी में से पानी लेना है. ठीक है, भगवान वाले पॉट में से, अपने वाले पॉट में से नहीं. यू हैव 2 आचमन पॉट्स इन योर टेम्पल ऑल्टर ऑल द टाइम. सो आई एम थिंकिंग व्हाई नॉट, जो मास्टर एफर्ट के बाद जो मैं बोलती हूँ, यू शुड से दैट एज वेल. यू मेक दिस मुद्रा, राइट हैंड नीचे, लेफ्ट हैंड ऊपर, और यहाँ से गिनना शुरू करो. क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय. दूसरे को बताना कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है. यहाँ से काउंट करो. क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्ण. 8 बार बोलना है. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्ण. इसको ऐसे रखना है, अंकुश मुद्रा में ना, छुपा के ऐसे. क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः. यू कैन सी. क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः, क्लीम कृष्णाय नमः. क्लीम, ये मास्टर एफर्ट बोल के ऐसे करके अपने भोगा के ऊपर हाथ रख के क्लीम कृष्णा ऐसे ऐसे करके, क्लीम कृष्णा नमः, क्लीम कृष्णा नमः 8 टाइम्स बोल के. देन यू से द 3 प्रणाम मंत्रस 3 टाइम्स ईच. एंड आफ्टर दैट जब मंत्र बोलते हो, लेफ्ट हैंड से बेल भी बजनी चाहिए. ओके, वंस यू डन द मंत्रस, पुट द बेल ऑन द साइड, एंड देन आइदर यू कैन लीव द ऑल्टर और जस्ट सिट देयर. उस तरफ मुंह करके, अपना आंख बंद करके भगवान का ध्यान करो. अगर आपको कुछ काम है, किचन में जाना है और कहीं, कैन गो देयर एंड कम बैक. दे से गिव भगवान एटलीस्ट दैट मच टाइम जितना एक पर्सन को खाना खाने में टाइम लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर फ्रूट दिया है तो फ्रूट खाने में एक जने को कितना टाइम लगता है, उतना टाइम भगवान को दो खाने के लिए है, ऑफरिंग को भोग लगाने के लिए. पर देयर आर ऑलवेज एक्सेप्शन टू रूल्स. इफ यू हैवंट गॉट, इफ यू आर इन रश, sometimes families asking for lunch or food or dinner, or you have to go out or time or whatever, for example on Zoom these days, so that can be done quickly as well. You don't have to leave for 10 minutes, then you can leave the offering for 5 minutes only. But never mind, this is how it is done. After say 5 minutes की आपने offering कर दी है, you ring the bell again, pick up the bell, ring it again, और हाथ से ताली बोलो. You are giving Krishna that, okay Krishna, I'm going to lift the plates now. आपने खा लिया है. So you have to go on. Don't do that you you offered Krishna food and then you just went there and utha ke. No, you do the bell. Like when we go in the temple, we do ting tong. Like we go in somebody's house or some place, we do ting tong. Tell them that we are here. Okay? Because that person might be doing something private and we just barge in their privacy. So you ring the bell, take the plate, take it to the kitchen, put it back into the pot जहाँ भी है, और उस कृष्णा की जो कटलरी है, प्लेट, कटोरी, चम्मच जो भी है, उसको धो के साफ करके उनके वाले स्पॉन्ज से अलग रखे. और जो पॉट है भगवान का, उसको भी उन्हीं के स्पंज से साफ करना है ना, करछी, एवरीथिंग, and keep things nice and clean before you're cooking. So in the beginning, I would suggest don't bother if you can't cook, if you haven't procured everything. और आप डिस्पोजेबल प्लेट यूज़ कर सकते हो अगर आपने अभी फ्रेश कटलरी और चम्मच प्लेट भगवान के लिए भी नहीं लिए, बिकॉज लॉकडाउन इज ऑन एट द मोमेंट, सो यू कैन यूज द डिस्पोजेबल प्लेट्स. एंड if you haven't got a fresh pan at the moment, just offer fruits on a disposable plate. You can get them from anywhere. Or because we can't give, अपने जूठे बर्तन में ऑफर करके भगवान को नहीं दे सकते. Okay, because he's a supreme personality, he's a supreme guest. But in the beginning, to start with, you can take small baby steps. You can offer any nice plate which is clean, as clean sponge leke, and like I've told you, this Ganga Jal mantra, you can just sprinkle the Ganga Jal and make it clean. And always offer anything with tulsi, wash it with the water. धोए बगैर नहीं रखना, तुलसी के पत्थर को. That is another thing. So next time, whenever, for example, there's a offering, elaborate offering, कोई festival होगा, so what I will do is when I'm making offering, I'll make a video side by side so you can see for yourself. If there's any confusion regarding anything, let me know. I'll put the mantras in 3 different captions on the group as well. And everything is there on many websites. I will give the link in the comment section. So I hope this has been a little bit useful session for you. If not, if there's anything you would like to know, just put them in the comment section. I will try to answer your queries to the best of my ability. And I'm telling you, it's such a sweet experience. When we started, we both used to go really, really excited because that was Christmas time, I remember, in 2010. And we were like, kya buy kare Bhagwan ke liye, ye buy kare. It was like making a little arrangement for Krishna. Unke liye ye kare. And my husband, my Prabhu, even he was like doing lovely Chinese Oriental style cutting salads कि भगवान को खुश करना है. And in the beginning, things are so beautiful, so merciful, and I would say all of you that please make most of this mercy. And this is the second stage after पहले taste of hearing develop होता है. जब taste of hearing develop हो जाए, उसके बाद प्रसाद ऑफर करना है, भोगा लगाना है. भोग फिर सारी फैमिली को खिलाना. जितना प्रसाद खाएंगे उतना ही कृष्णा से प्रेम बढ़ता है. तभी प्रभुपाद कहते हैं इन द बिगिनिंग जितना मर्जी प्रसाद खाओ, जितना मर्जी खाओ, पर बाद में you have to put a little bit of breaks because we don't want to become fat in the name of prasad. Yeah, so enjoy these moments, and I wish you all a beautiful day ahead. And tomorrow, Sunday, yeah. So there's a nice class coming up tomorrow. Bhakti Prabhav Swami is coming. He'll be speaking on the glories of Bhagavatam. So if any of you have got any questions, you can forward them to you. I can ask them on your behalf. I'll try to upload that video on the group as well later. He's brilliant. He's been here before, I think, in the lockdown on the Zoom. So let me see you again on Monday with the continuation of our Krishna book. Thank you for joining, Shamita. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.